Before we get into today's video, can I just remind everyone, please guys, do your own due diligence. Take everything I'm talking about today as entertainment only. Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy, Hold, Sell. I hope you are all well. I am not even going to hit you with all the usual crap that I do. I'm just going to get straight into it today, guys. Iconic Labs. Big news. Let's go. Guys, you know all about Iconic Labs. We've done plenty of videos. They're all in the archives. Here's the last one, and you can go in and check out all the previous ones. It's been one hell of a roller coaster in Iconic Labs, but we've stuck in there. We've held tight. Diamond hands, and now we're being rewarded. Yesterday we had big news on a new contract that came through the OTT partnership, and guys, it is literally taken off, if you excuse the pun. We're talking about the drone partnership, guys. Yes, that was a terrible joke, but hope you liked it. Let's just have a look and see what they're saying. Okay guys, so if you just type in Iconic Labs into the news, you will see the stuff that I talked about in my last video, but a week ago. But we have recent news 18 hours ago, 1 day ago. Iconic Labs, let's just check out Proactive Investors, which is always great for our Iconic Labs news. It's branching out into the drone business, guys, through a deal with the shareholder OTT Ventures. Iconic is set to take a controlling stake in an unmanned drone specialist, Sting Industries, through a combination of convertible notes, warrants, cash and finance facility. So that was the initial headline, and then we've got even more depth, guys. Sting's modular drones are used in a wide range of applications for the military and security sectors. They provide close range safety and protection by flying in front of the first person through the door in demanding urban environments confronted by special forces, military, police and security personnel. So you can see here, if that doesn't make sense to you, there's a lovely picture here that you can see, but this kind of stuff is the future. This is a great, like really good deal. Now, just to be negative in the slightest bit about it, there'll be a lot of people that don't like investing in stuff that's to do with the military. I understand that it's you know, can be seen as a bad thing sometimes in these days. But as shareholders, you know, it doesn't really matter to me. This is a great bit of news, guys. I can't. You know what I mean? I'm just doing that in my head constantly, and you should be too, because this is massive. In addition, through the research and development associated with these drones, Sting collections, processes and analyzes significant quantities of data derived from flying and maneuvering these sophisticated drones in tight indoor spaces. Iconic added the non-binding letter of intent is subject to due diligence. Got to do your due diligence, guys. And finalising a long-term financing facility up to 50 million with the European High Growth Opportunities Futurisation Fund. Brad Taylor's Iconic chief executive said, "I have worked with OTT Ventures and affiliated companies in the group OTT for many years, and I am delighted to have been able to sign this letter of intent. Sting is an exceptional company, and I look forward to signing a financing facility and completing this transaction." So look, the guys are excited. I'm excited. Are you excited? I think we are. Okay, guys. So I was struggling to find a website. I found this, stingindustries.co.uk. I was excited, clicked on it. What are we going to find out? There's this thing up in the corner, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything, and it just says Sting. I don't know what it is, guys, but I'm excited by this, even though it just says Sting. I mean, it could be the rock band for all we know, but this is brilliant. This just, yeah, something's happening. It's only been created in 2021. I don't know what it is. I don't know whether to be fearful or are we getting led down a garden path. Is this all made up or is this real? If you go onto the LinkedIn page, it does confirm that is the website. So, you know, crap, really, because, yeah. So it does confirm that is the website. Company size, 11 to 50 employees. So it's small enough. It's privately held, as you'd expect. That's about as much information as I can see, guys. So if anyone's got any more meat on the bones to get a bit more detail in this thing, I would love to hear it. I'd like to get a bit more of an understanding of what this partnership involves. I'm sure we will naturally hear that from Iconic Labs over the coming days. But the key takeaways are the 50 million, guys. So I thought I'd go on the Iconic Labs website. I've scrutinized Iconic Labs website before for not being up to date. They don't have the board members, all that kind of stuff. And there's been a lot of changes with Iconic Labs, and I just feel, you know, if I was an investor, which I am, if I was thinking about investing for this in the first time, I would go on their website and go, well, there's nothing updated here for a long time. Dire until today. Latest, Sting. So we've got this brand name. I'm not going to read it out. It's the same scenario as what we've already read. Nice picture of a drone, but that's about it. So look, at least they've got this on the website. If we click on the Twitter link, nothing. Guys, come on, give me something on the Twitter, like, please promote yourselves. That's what you're pretty much all about. So why is it so poor? I just don't understand. But anyway, jump onto their Iconic Labs Instagram. No post yet. Why bother creating it? But jump onto their YouTube channel. What have they got? Nothing. They've actually promoting still your man, John Quinlan. He's left a year ago. You joking me? But if we go to the Investors Relation tab, now one of my subscribers has actually updated me on this news. So thank you for that. I'm going to bring you this, guys. They have finally updated. Go to the investor section. We go to our team. I've banged on about this before. But look, we've got Brad. We've got Jaya. We've got David. Vandermeer. They're all there, guys, and Vandermeer looks happy about being there, so I'm happy. Just need to take the time out, guys. Have a look down in the description below. You'll actually see links to free trade, where you and I both get a free share up to £200. The markets are brutal at the minute, guys. Sometimes it's good just to have an extra account, just to put money out of sight, out of mind, that kind of stuff. Also, guys, we have links to my writers' articles, which are a good read, worth checking them out. And if you're thinking about starting your cryptocurrency, it seems to be the only thing that's going up at the minute, the crypto. Well, that and Iconic Labs, of course. Click that link. You'll get 10% off your first purchase. So £1,000 deposited, you'll get £100 back. So you can't be bad to it, guys. Make sure to check out all that good stuff in the links. And also you'll see in the community tab of YouTube this week's video vote, where you get to go on, pick your vote for the next week's video. Did the one yesterday, which was a good one. So yeah, get voting. Let's pull up the chart and have a look and see what the crack is there. Guys, we've talked about the chart many times. I'm not going to go into too much detail on the previous stuff. It's been a bumpy road, but we are where we are. This is how it's looking now though. So you can see it's 7th of May, where we're in and around 0.0114. And as of today, we have seen highs of 0.0196. In and around a 60% rise. It's throbbing, guys, absolutely throbbing. And if we actually pull this out, we can see the last time we were in and around this range, you would have to go back to the 14th of October 20, guys. So I personally, as an Iconic Labs holder, I haven't seen highs like this before. So am I excited? You best believe, guys. And I do think that there's still more to come. You know, today we're up over 12% as it stands. So yeah, I mean, the story doesn't change for me. It's a long hold anyway. I would like to get more meat on the bones, a bit more about Sting, what all that is going to actually involve. But guys, on the face of it, this is the news we've been waiting for. It's what I've been talking about, preaching about. The foundations have finally been laid. They got rid of all the dead wood, waiting on the first contract, and we've got it. I knew the OTT partnership was going to spring good things because they've invested interest, and it's all proven to be correct and shrewd, and our patience has finally paid off, guys. But there's still a long way to go. We're not in the woods yet. You might get a pullback, you might not. Who knows what's going to happen? A long-term hold anyway. They've still got the Gay Star news. I think the progress that they've made so quickly since they put on the new board of directors is showing intent. These guys are, you know, going aggressive. They know exactly what they're aiming to do, and I think this could be only the start of something bigger and better. So guys, that's the video. Look, what's your thoughts on Iconic Labs? I know all you Iconic Lab holders out there are excited and are buzzing about this news. The rise has been great. You know, the hard work and patience has paid off. And I just want to give a wee clap out to the guys in Iconic. I really feel that they've dug deep. They've, you know, the new foundations that they've built, and they've quickly acted. Well, I think that's my most impressive thing, is that yes, they've stripped out, they've got rid of all them dead wood that was there beforehand. You know, did all the sackings, put all their in-house matters in order, and they've quickly acted. Quick contract in, huge money. This thing's going to throb. What else is to come? I'm excited, guys. What's your thoughts on Iconic Labs? You know, consider everything's going absolutely to Gape Town at the minute. It just seems to be red, red, red. We've got a great winner here. High percentages. It's fantastic. So yeah, leave your comments below. Please like, please subscribe. Help me grow this channel. I really appreciate everybody out there. And also get me on Instagram, BHSDMV. And until next time, guys, I'll keep you updated. Hit the alert button. Peace. Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.